Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about speed up, speed down and reverse. So let's start the video. Open Premiere Pro. I have import file and then I drag on the timeline. Keep exiting settings so that setting will not be mismatched. So after that I off this music and right click on the your video. Then you can see speed duration option. After that click on the speed duration. There you can see the speed is now 100. And for first we are learning about speed up. So if I will make speed 200, so it's a 2x. So press on the OK button, that you can see the video is speed up and playing fast. So that's the speed up. So let's do now speed down. Right click on the video. By default is speed 100. If I make 50, so it called speed down. So that's the speed down. So you can see the video is playing smoothly in slow motion. So that is speed down. So now let's talk about the reverse. Right click on the video speed duration and make it 100. So that's the same video in actual format. So we are talking about reverse. So right click on here. So on the reverse speed option and press then OK. So video is reverse. So you can see if you will use speed up, so audio will be go fast, and if you will speed down, so audio also will play in a very slow motion. So that's it, speed up, speed down and reverse. So friends, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.